Okay, so practice problem number 14. Find the 25th percentile of a distribution with mu 75 and sigma 12. So we're given a normal distribution and then mean 75, standard deviation 12. We are asked to determine the 25th percentile, which is equivalent to 0.25. So our z-score is inverse tau of 0.25, which is equal to negative 0.674490. And then converting it to our x value using the formula um, mean plus sigma times the tau. The answer is 66.91. Number 15. Determine the z-score that leaves 5% in the right tail of the standard normal curve. So we're given the standard normal curve with a mean 0 and standard deviation 1. Required z-score leaving 5% in the right tail. So that is the probability that z is greater than z, which is equal to 0.05. And the cumulative is of course 0.95. And then z is equals to inverse tau of 0.95, and that is 1.6449. Number 16. A dataset is normally distributed with mean 100 and standard deviation 15. Find the score that separates the lowest 10% from the rest. So we're given a normal distribution with a mean 100 and standard deviation 15. Required score separating the lowest 10%, which is the 10th percentile. So solution, our z of 0.10 is inverse tau of 0.10, which is equal to negative 1.281552. Using our conversion formula for x, which is equal to the mean plus z times theta, and substituting the data, our final answer is 80.78. Number 17. In a class, exam scores follow a normal distribution having a mean of 80 and a standard deviation of 10. Find the probability that a student scores between 70 and 90. So we are given exam scores which are normally distributed with a mean of 80 and standard deviation of 10. So we are required the probability that our x is greater than or equal to 70 but is less than or equal to 95. Our convert 70 to its z-score, it is equal to negative 1. And converting 95 into its z-score, it's equal to 1.5. So the probability is equal to the tau of 1.5 minus the tau of negative 1.000, and the final answer is 0.7745. Number 18. A normal distribution has mu 200, sigma 25. What percentage of data falls between 150 and then 250? So we're given a normal distribution with the mean 200 and standard deviation 25. Required percentage of data between 150 and 250. So convert 150 to z-score, that's negative 2. And then convert 250 to its equivalent z-score, that's 2.0. So the probability is equal to the tau of 2.0 minus the tau of negative 20. The answer is 0.9545. So the final answer, 95.45%, because we are asked in terms of percentage. That's why we converted the decimal into its percentage equivalent. Number 19. The length of rods follow a normal distribution with a mean 50 centimeters and standard deviation of 2 centimeters. Find the probability that a rod is longer than 54. So we are given a normal distribution having a mean 50, standard deviation 2. Require the probability that our x is greater than 54. Converting 54 to its equivalent, it's 2.0. And therefore, the probability is equal to 1 minus tau of 2.0, and the answer is 0.0228. Number 20. A process produces items with lifetimes distributed as a normal distribution having a mean of 1,000 and then standard deviation of 100. Find the probability that an item lasts between 900 and 1,200. So convert 900 to its equivalents, it's negative 1.0. And convert 1,200 to its equivalent, it's 2. And then the probability is the tau of 2.0 minus the tau of negative 1.0. The answer is 0.8186. Our MCQ for quarter 3, data and probability, lesson number 13, problem solving with the normal distribution. Number 1, a normal distribution has mean mu equal to 50 and standard deviation sigma equal to 5. What is the probability that a score is less than 55? Letter A, 0.6915. Letter B, 0.8413. Letter C, 0.9332. Letter D, 0.9772. MCQ number 2. We have a normal distribution, mu 100, sigma 15. Find the probability that x is less than or equal to 85. Is it letter A, 0.2525? Letter B, 0.3085. Letter C, 0.4013. Letter D, 0.1587. Number 3. A company's product weights are normally distributed with mu 200 grams and sigma 10 grams. What is the probability that x is greater than or equal to 190 but is less than or equal to 210? A, 0.3413. B, 0.6826. C, 0.4772. Letter D, 0.9544. Number 4. Test scores follow a normal distribution with the mean 70 and standard deviation 8. What is the probability that a student scores above 80? Letter A, 0.1056. Letter B, 0.2119. Letter C, 0.3085. Letter D, 0.4013. MCQ number 5. If we have a normal distribution, mean 500, sigma 100, what is the probability that x is less than or equal to 350? Letter A, 0.0668. Letter B, 0.1056. Letter C, 0.1587. Letter D, 0.2119. Number 6. A machine fills bottles with soda where X has a normal distribution with a mean of 600 ml and standard deviation 5 ml. Find the probability that X is greater than or equal to 595 but is less than or equal to 605. Letter A, 0.4772. Letter B, 0.6826. Letter C, 0.9544. Letter D, 0.3413. Number 7. Suppose we have a normal distribution with a mean 25 and standard deviation 4. Find the probability that X is greater than or equal to 24 but is less than or equal to 28. Letter A, 0.2119. Letter B, 0.3085. Letter C, 0.4013. Letter D, 0.3721. Number 8. IQ scores of students are distributed as a normal distribution having a mean of 100 and standard deviation of 15. What proportion of students have an IQ higher than 130? Letter A, 0.1056. Letter B, 0.1587. Letter C, 0.2119. Letter D, 0.0912. Number 9. If the life of a battery is a normally distributed with a standard deviation 20, with a mean of 20 hours, standard deviation 2 hours. Find the probability that X is less than 18. Letter A, 0.1056. Letter B, 0.1587. Letter C, 0.2119. Letter D, 0.2525. We will have the next part of this lesson.